Smart. Since he's a baby, she's in the seat there and he would quiet.
Yes.
I was amazed at how quiet he would be in the vlog.
Yeah.
He's not stubborn.
Yeah. So you guys like the estate so far?
Man, I'm telling you, privacy.
Yeah. Top notch. Yeah. So and this block we have like 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom is there, and then you have standalone. Them have like pool and stuff. I'll show you all of that. Yeah. Huh?
You can let it dry, but
Look
you don't, my mind is on the jackfruit.
Yeah, the jackfruit.
Yes, because the first time we went to Rwanda, we got jackfruit. We went up to Musanze. There's another Jamaican blogger up there. Lady Visionary, I don't know. Watch her vlogs.
Yeah.
And we got jackfruit then, but we haven't been able to see any jackfruit.
Even last week we got jackfruit from a Jamaican lady. You saw her in the vlog, right?
Yes.
Yeah. She just live around there. I'll show you and stuff. We got jackfruit.
There's a lot of Sagana.
Okay.
Julius.
Okay. He's from.
Good.
Friend Moya.
Okay, okay. You been to Ghana?
No.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So you guys been to Rwanda? It's the first time in Kenya. You guys first time?
No man, we've been here since September, and then we've gone to Rwanda, spent 2 weeks there, and come back.
Well, come back.
Well, we went to Rwanda first, and that's back in February. Stayed 3 months. Went back to the west, help those got stuck there for 4 months. So we came to Kenya, and then of course we went to Rwanda. So we're getting ready to go back down there.
Okay.
Our business there, so we have residence.
Okay, nice.
You have to. You want to put your head in one.
Yeah, and that's the thing. Africa to me is coming like Europe now. It's just like different states.
Yeah.
So once you're in Africa, so once you find that Rwanda get your citizenship, actually residence, it's easier here, it's easier there. So once you do that, because even when I go to Ghana, that's what I did. I have residence in Ghana. So now it's like you're a part of Africa.
Yeah, because now it's like 3 months. I'm thinking I don't have to work because I have residency there, so they can't say, oh, you just went to there. Because we have a 5-year
multi-entry.
No, they say it's easy.
Well, you can get a multi-entry. Well, for Kenya, you have a 5-year multi-entry. Okay, perfect. Yeah, that's nice.
That's what we got.
So you can stay for 5 years if you want.
I guess you have to
come
leave.
in and out
You can go and come anyhow.
You can stay as long as you want.
Right, go and come. I don't know if we can stay as long, but we can go anywhere. When we came in the last time, they didn't stamp our thing.
They didn't give us on time.
They didn't give us no time. When we went to Rwanda and came back, they didn't give us any time.
Yeah, okay.
So I don't know. So that's weird.
But if you guys looking to like purchase an apartment, you guys to do the partnership with that apartment, Loftel.
The new place. Okay, so the thing like the Wbesite, we think about it.
Yeah.
So
I can take you there to show it to you guys. So you can, yeah.
Investment.
Yeah, that would be perfect. That would be nice.
Because they still need, I need to
The door has manual, so the lady has sent a carpenter to come and
so this is another one?
But this one is the pretty one.
Yeah, this one is the nicer one there. Yeah.
The pretty one.
Yeah.
But the owner of the house has sent a carpenter to come and the key is not so he said we wait a little, but he was saying you can see another one, I don't know.
Okay. You want to see this one? You want this one? This one is nice, and as you can see, it's brand new. Everything is modernized. But these apartments are like old apartments.
Actually, it's this one.
But this one is upgraded. Yeah, as you can see. So this one is very nice for ground floor for grandma. It's nice for mama. Well, it depends. Well, you will see. You'll see. Yeah.
Now, I tell him to come down now.
Let's go and see this one so you guys can have a look at it on second floor. Yeah, you can stay because yeah. So what type of business you guys have in Rwanda? Healthcare. Okay. As you know, guys, I'm into L2. Natural stuff. Yeah. But I wish you guys could have made it to the conference because that was like a big thing there. Yeah.
It was so Just write notice, you type about it and
Yeah. But I have connection to all the people. So once you guys are here now, we'll just go and meet them up.
Yeah.
And then, you know, the connection can make. It's on second floor or this is the first floor.
Is this first floor?
Yeah.
Yes. You will not. She's coming.
She's taking her time.
Take it time. Watch your step.
So where you guys grew up in Jamaica?
Yeah, I'm country. Usain Bolt.
Usain Bolt, Trelawney.
Yes. Basket.
Wow.
Yeah, we actually went to the same high school.
We have so much Caribbean people here. Everybody, but most people is from the States. They're coming back.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah.
Look at the States at 30 years.
And you know, Jamaicans, it's all about back to Africa from a growing up.
30 years, yeah?
Yeah, so once you get the opportunity, it's just to come back.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
You can put your washing machine in there.
Yeah, yeah.
I didn't even want to know this.
Yeah. Cooker right there. Fridge right there. Alright. This is the living right here.
A living area.
Yeah. It's balcony there.
Wow, I'm looking at greenery.
Oh, you're looking at greenery. Yeah, for this one. What this one, the road and the noise of the
Yeah.
traffic and stuff, yeah. Yeah, that one might be.
Oh, and this one. When you shower, it's separate from the toilet.
Is the same with that one?
Yeah, the same.
The other one is not like that, you know?
That one's open one kitchen.
Ah, okay, okay. So this one, the bathroom is the
This
same?
one is the new.
Oh, it's new. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Different is that one. That one is the open kitchen.
Okay, 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 okay. Yeah. It's master. Yes, two bathroom. Yeah. Alright, so the guy coming soon with the key for the other one? Yeah. Okay. I know we are here to take care of her, so
That one is frozen.
That's what I love. I love that part.
That one is
When she heard that, I'm saying yes.
yes.
sometimes.
Now Hamesh have a Jamaican grandma. She have Jamaican aunties, so I needed to have Jamaican grandma now. Yeah, she can walk, yeah. Yeah.
No socializing.
No.
15 grandsons with
15 grandsons and it's few girls.
and
In the
7
20-something.
granddaughters.
Yeah.
7 granddaughters.
Yeah, 15 grandsons. So that's more than a football game.
Yeah.
People sit on the side.
So none of them want to come?
Yes, they want to come, but they want to see us.
Ah,
I think they
live
want to come, but they want to see what
settle.
happens.
I want to see you guys
Because
settle
they hear
first.
some stories, you know?
Yes.
And
Yeah.
you know how
We
rough
want
it
to
is.
make,
Yeah, it's very rough.
we want to
I'm
see
telling
It's not
you
for
and
everybody.
send
Yeah,
them
it's not
a
for
picture
We
everybody.
go through this
of
stuff
where we are
Yeah,
and
yeah.
stuff
we
like
still
that.
not gonna blaspheme and,
Yeah,
and say anything
It's
bad.
a
but
part of the
a lot
process.
people cannot
But
do
we've
it.
been
It's a
through a lot.
process.
It's the process.
So father is choosing people, that's what I tell mom. I say,
Ah.
mom, it's a process. He has to choose people he knows can trust.
Yeah.
To come on this journey and not cause the people to
Complain.
become discouraged.
And empower others to come.
And put it all over
Yeah, so the chosen one has to be here
Yeah.
to set the
And
foundation.
Right.
Yeah, that's so true.
That's
That's
why
so true.
we a lot of
That's-
people gonna be coming.
yeah, a lot of people. So yeah.
As you see, you know that one in the floor, it's not the wood, that one is the ceramic tiles.
It's all right, no problem. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
And we have two, one for each person, so we don't have to sit and wait on one
Yeah,
person.
two bathroom.
Without shaking.
I just can't stand the bathroom where there's no separate part for the washing. That's the part.
Yeah.
So that's
Yeah. Right, nice. Yeah. All right. Let's go downstairs and wait on the other one, because that's the one you guys really want to see anyways. Yeah, the new one. Yeah.
The site is available?
Huh?
It's open?
Well, the person is coming with the key. Yeah.
Company?
Yeah.
What will be now?
Yeah, family. So that's a 2-bedroom. Stuff. But we have another nice one that we want them to see. Sure, they'll take that one. Yeah. Yeah, and worse when you have kids around her, that's so good. Yeah.
She has 20-something grandchildren.
Yeah.
4 boys.
So when they come in,
4 boys. They're not there yet, but
They're not there yet.
so she's used to that. She has a lot of grandchildren.
yeah,
She used to that interaction. So just being back for years.
yeah.
Think about her psychological well-being.
Yeah. So this is it. This one is nice. Yeah, she can come and get her son back there. Stuff.
And
Yeah.
she can come out and walk.
Well, yeah. We just live right there. We're just right there.
I know she won't kidnap her. Bring a plastic chair.
Yeah, this one is grown for. Very nice. Yeah. But they have like 4 bedrooms standalone. But that's too big for you. Yeah, that's too big for you guys. Yeah.
How's the noise level?
The noise level, here says very quiet, but on our side, the kids come out sometime and play on our side. But here is very quiet because,
We are accustomed to kids. I'm talking about not kids playing. We enjoy kids. We sit
Yeah.
and just watch it.
other than that, it's so quiet. Yeah, yeah.
Kids not there, there's not life.
So what up here so is very quiet and this side is very quiet.
Kids and birds is fine.
Very-
Let it air.
yeah. So fresh, it's like, and and too, if you guys want to check it out, it's in Westlands.
Interested in the sour sap, sweet
Sorry,
sap.
sir. So you guys going back
Yeah,
today?
we're going back today, yeah.
Yeah.
We're going to head back.
So maybe we'll just,
But I'm
point you
just
to the
saying,
market so you can buy this thing and go back with it.
yeah.
So when you guys plan to move, let's say,
Yesterday we find the right place, yeah. she just moved down.
Yeah.
Once
Can
we
you-
get a place like get our house going up, the mountain is up. We're the peak of the mountain.
So where you want to go? You want to go to Nanyuki or like you say some more the
Oh no,
mountain?
we're in Moya.
Oh.
That's Kirinyaga.
Okay.
Mount Zion, that's where we
There.
are.
Okay. And so that's where you guys gonna build your home and stuff. Okay. Perfect.
We're
Okay.
from the mountain.
Yeah.
Now we know why we were in the country, because
Yeah,
we're mountain people.
And you know, a lot of people, African Americans, get in vision about Kenya,
Well,
and we all know
I'll
the
tell you
history.
my story.
Because even this girl that put on the meeting,
Yeah.
so she just get up and have a dream that she need to go to Kenya.
Yes. See?
So it's like, it's just like,
Yeah.
that's the thing, it's in your DNA to come back. In your DNA.
Yeah, but I tell you,
You know what I mean?
my story is phenomenal.
Yeah.
I mean, I was minding my own business,
Yeah, yeah.
enjoying my fortune, like, you know, fortune 7, you know, you
Yeah,
work yourself up,
yeah.
that's the ultimate.
Yeah, even my other Jamaican sister. She actually, she
corporate
just, yeah,
job,
she just,
and I was
yeah.
happy.
Mhm.
And then, boom,
Yeah,
yeah, I need to go to Africa.
need to go to
Am I insane? I said, Mom, am I losing my mind?
losing them.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
I did
yeah.
I took a lot of steps. It took a lot of steps. I went back to sleep and then it came back strong. Like, okay, I'm in my
Yeah.
bed one Sabbath and one Samban. Yeah,
Oh, you
I
guys are
was calm.
7-8. I grew up in the 7-8 like you guys.
Yes, I was all out. Most himself came and got me that time and showed me the bureau and oh my gosh, it was profound from there. I couldn't go back.
Wow.
And we tried Zambia.
Yeah.
She got through to go there.
Mhm.
Then I'm still waiting for my stuff.
Yeah.
So we say, okay.
What I find that a lot of African Americans come in. Cause I went to Ghana, try and error, and I feel like, you know, what I'm doing right now is like helping a lot because and stuff. And when she was watching our video, she was inspired to just come to Kenya, and it was just like spontaneous.
Yeah, we have land in
So,
Zambia. We have
wow.
land there. So we still need to go and claim.
You guys buy the entire Africa, and then come back and settle in Kenya. Yeah. But I feel like, you know, what I'm doing is really helping people to, because, you know, even though you're coming from the West, you still want to have that feeling. That feeling you cannot get away from that. Like, you know, everything is close by you, and if you want something, you can get it. But the good thing with Kenya,
it's just like you said, the social contact. You're not a friendly community to grow. You need people.
you need people.
You know,
Yeah.
social isolation is not good. It doesn't matter what you have. If
Yeah.
you have all the amenities, you have money, you have everything, you still won't be fulfilled without that social interaction. So that's what we're lacking. That's the only thing.
Yeah. You need that community.
Yeah.
You need that family base. So even with me right now, I have so much Jamaican friends and people,
That's the thing.
you know, that we go out and hang out and we talk and we, you know.
Good, that's the thing.
Yeah.
That's it. You know, we lack about it.
Yeah.
Identify with.
Yeah.
Because most time if you even go out with other people, they will just sit
All
down
right.
their own language and
The rest a little and then I will come.
Yes, that's what I was saying. 'Cause I did maternal childcare, so that's why
Oh.
I said like.
Okay.
Oh
Yeah.
yes, I did that for many years.
Wow.
I'm a nurse. So.
You're a nurse.
Never
Okay.
delivered the host. So
Wow.
that's when I look at you.
Just start speaking Swahili.
Yeah.
And sometimes it can be embarrassing because you don't know whether they're talking and laughing about you because you don't know the language.
Yeah. You how long have you been in Kenya?
Since 2021.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been going and coming and stuff. But I think this is, since I actually have my son and stuff, I've been out. I've been to Tanzania and come back.
You know some Swahili? You have some Swahili?
Just a little, like greetings and stuff.
Sawa.
Yeah.
Amkambo.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
Is that a girl baby or I'm just getting a sister or brother?
Another brother.
So she knows it.
Another brother?
Yeah.
She has four.
First,
One
yeah.
girl.
And one girl.
So
She's standing
she's
here.
Well, you know that Abraham descendants, when I say God did say, I'm going to multiply. I'm going to multiply. You know that once you are from the tribe of Judah, it's like you have a lot of boys. Because boys is what build the nation. What I can do now for now is share the channel with them, jump towards
That's what I'm
Africa,
gonna do.
and then now that we'll actually see. Because what I do is
Yeah, you
real
really
life.
show up.
Yeah,
You really show up,
yeah,
Kenya.
yeah,
You
yeah.
really show up Africa.
Yeah, and it's just what I'm doing. I'm not showing anything different.
For me, you like the next to the mind.
That was what of my actually inspired me when I was in Jamaica and in pandemic and stuff. I was just on my veranda there watching. You guys know Richmond Estate, right? Sentan Day going down to Trelawny.
No, with Trelawny.
Prior
You know
there,
we
prior
left
days.
there.
Long time.
yeah.
So I was there just, scrolling through and I was like, I need to leave this country because I never like how the police them dealing with people in the lockdown, and you know something like this can come again, and it's gonna be very, you know, very hard. And people in Africa was living free, nobody not traveling like that. And I say, yo, let me just try and travel to Africa. And I watch a Kwadamaya video about Ghana, and then I decided to take my trip.
That's what the pandemic was about. I think Father sent the pandemic for people to rethink.
Yeah, to rethink. Sit down and think.
It was a sabbatic.
Because all of these things,
It was a sabbatical.
all of these things I'm doing to this first world country with all of this energy thing and stuff, it going pollute the atmosphere, and a lot of it going to affect a lot of people. Yeah. So you'll have access to the back around here. Wow. I guess the back is not good.
No, it's flooded.
Oh, it's,
What is
it's on
this?
the other side. I guess it's coming from that side.
Okay.
But you'll have to go on the other side.
Oh, somebody is washing this stuff.
You have to
This,
I
I think,
think
is
it's
part of the drainage, yeah?
Yeah. Maybe the. Yeah.
I need to do something.
But it's on the other side though. It's closer up. But she will have access to that on the other
That
side.
side.
That side. Yeah. But I honestly feel like, you know,
Abandoned.
This is a band.
Maybe they died or something. Maybe they die and leave it. People just mischievous again.
yeah. But for you guys now, for the apartment investment, it'll be very good for you guys. Like you guys will be having people to come in. Yeah, it'll be good for you to have somewhere for them to stay.
Oh, yeah.
So you guys can look into that and see. Yeah,
Yeah, we think about
yeah, that's
it. Then let you look at it to see.
yeah. Physically, yeah. I like how they fix up inside this place. They really fix it up nice.
Yeah. It's sandstone.
Yeah, family. So as you can see, that we are here. And if you're not subscribed to the Jam Tours Africa channel, like, share, and subscribe, family. And if you're watching this and you know somebody looking to come, share this video with them. And let them know that it's happening. It's happening in Africa. And if you want to come and experience it, just send us a message. We are here to help you get settled, just like what we're doing for so many other persons, helping them to get settled.